hardcore world. Me alone in my hardcore world, guys. So I have no clue who I bite off my things them. I have no clue of who I do that. Anyways, so I show around. Hope someone put me food them and so and this. Guys, it's not what it look like. It's not. But then I'm a bodyguard. Here, guys, I can explain what happened. So this at the back of my house. Look at my house. It's so beautiful. Bro, me are the best Minecraft builder in a Jamaica, guy. Watch a man who can be like me. Hey, hey. So this is my backyard. Oh, weird, it work. Guys, when you build something there, it work, you know. The, hold on, let me just make one sick there and do one stairs. If we go best. Alright. No need for me a stage for go up there cause it don't work. Hold on, no need for go up here. It don't work, you know. So this is my backyard where I can look all of my experiment them pan. This up here so. I go back in there. This is my bedroom. This is the map. Cause the place look pretty. Right, that's how it look. This is my crafting table. This is my parrot named Tweety. I wanna get rid of Tweety though. Tweety and I. Alright guys, me show you upstairs at my house. So I'm not done yet. Look here. Nice. Hold on, but if you put some glass, put some glasses and make this look pretty. I just finished Oppressor today, guys. So this is how Oppressor look. I just finished Oppressor. So yeah, this is it. A pretty house. A viewers help me build my house, you know. Viewers them on TikTok. And them help me build my house, guys. And them, sir. So, alright, want deep slate. This is the bulk and every time I look out for the girl them. Don't know a thing set when I look out for the girl them. Alright, wait, let me breed up. If I breed up them sickness, I breed up. And you say, if I breed up the population, so that me I gonna do right now. I breed up a cow them. And you say we need more kids. Population is declining. So guys, I'm breeding up the cow them. I'm gonna breed them. Come on. Awesome, breed up. Awesome, breed up, man. Breed them up, breed them up, breed them up. Everyone now, watch me I get XP. Come on, man. Breed up there, everybody. So, everybody must. Guys, you don't need to fight, everybody must. Well, well. You don't need to fight, everybody get. Everybody get, everybody get. Everybody get. Come on, never kill me. Yeah, I need everybody, somebody must get them. Breed up, who else there? Everybody. Nah, one thing at the bottom I get. Everybody. Some people are making them. Get. Not get. Everybody, they might get. Oh yes, I make some babies. Find another one. Come on, people are everything. Make them baby grow. Keep. But they full of more man, watch it. But they full man. Then I grow, I come mash them. It run good, bro. It's bro. I hope you do that stress out my thing, you know that. Swear to God, bro. I hope you do that stress out the thing. Alright, so we can start. This, oh yeah, this is my dog, Hero. Yo, the amount of mission me a Hero go on, but hold on, no. Hero get too much talking. Me no feel for do. Talking idea, bro. Too much talking Hero give me, bro. Alright, hold on there. Wait there, what me telescope there? Me dey have sick when me look through and spy upon my neighbors them. Wait there. Ah, see that. Arr, guys, but me never know how to build this, you know. Yo, hold on. I have more than emerald there. Me have enough iron though. Enough iron over there, you know. Guys, me a go on a journey for over here, so. Me a go on a journey, guys. Me need that emerald if it triggered with whilst there. Be a cool, pure cool upon the thing. Alright, hold on. How much bread me have? Want some more bread. Want some more bread, man. It's not work. Make some bread. Alright, yeah, me have a crafting table on so. Alright. What bread is give me? 26 bread? That must can carry me over the list. Oh. Alright, wait. You know what I want to? I want a cart. I want a big cart, yeah. But this one I go. I want the emerald there. Only me can make some emerald block. Oh yeah guys, I forget to tell this is the real layout where I build. It's a long time build now. Check. Fast me up. Watch out, I want to go on there, son. No. What part of the body this so? What the hell? What part of in this one? Bro, what? Like, how me I go to back though? What the hell? Nice. I'm so rich now. I'm making part go and stay in this one. Oh, let me see if I can spot the emerald. Oh, nice. See emerald, eh? I mean, I'll go for it. Spot the emerald, guys. See if I can go for it now. I think I first me I come over here, so, you know. I always explore the other side. What the hell? I take a different route. That'll give me a problem. Alright, go hope so. Yo, this is so damn far, bro. Like, what the hell? These trees are tweaking, bro. Bro, there's one emerald may I stress myself over, of course. I need that emerald. Yes, sir. I forget that emerald. Oh, damn. Come on, Tamu, you know. Boy, I will kill the boy. You lucky things me have enough money. This 2 year though ramp with me. Wait, wanna see my house from the angle that way, you know. Wanna see how nice my house is. Alright, Mr. Reach up. See damn emerald here. Night a come. Mirati, me not on bed no. And a emerald me come over here part. Bumba look for me house. Yo, my house nice, see man. Wait there. Me not have my bed for you. Shit. Take long to come over here. Look for me house. Pomad. Look at my house. Nice and clean. Portal. Watch it up on top of my roof. Nice and clean and comfortable. My house is nice. But dead me go dead more comfortable. You're sitting span behind me now. Not even a look. Me not even a look. Not at all. Urban come out. Hey, Urban come out here so you know. Me no want dead. Cha. What that? What is that? Bro, what is... Yo, we can't run him down. I don't know what that, but I don't want dead in a hardcore earlier. Shit. Bread, eat something. Never Europe and come back. Oh. Eat something. Alright, my heart full. My heart full. Alright. Go down. Oh. No, creeper. No, you won't catch me alive, coppers. Creeper won't blow me up, bro. I don't like travel at night. So who them blow me railway, my work hard for build for. No. Ow. Boy, I put shot for me, bro. What the hell? Up and go home. Nice. Wait, only have what? What the hell? Bro, what is up? Bro, no one see me dead? Bro, and push up back this, bro. What? No. Shit. Same thing me a talk about. What is me get myself in a... Which? What the hell, bro? Bro. Me only have one job, bro. I don't want dead. Bro, I'm too young to die. I need to get home. I don't know how I put my other bed. I normally part with a bed, bro. But I put my bed up in my other room. What that? Who that? Bro, what the hell? I wish boy would shot me. See look a fish there. Yo, count your days here, batty boy. Count your days, man, batty boy. Count your days, them here. Must see you. Must book you. Same time I book you, me wipe out the whole ancestors, them. Count your days, them here. Count your days, them, batty boy. I nah ask if them nah come for me, nah, bro. Count your days, them here, batty boy. Oh, them nah come after me. Wait till me reach at me yard. Like sunlight burn up. I don't know how I not carry my bed with me, bro. Me salt, you know. Salt like ninja, man. Build go up. Fortnite building skill right now. Need to hurry up and get. What that? Build go. Build go up like Bill Gates. So reach up. Him can't catch me. Dangerous, boy. a boy ever come on and pickaxe him. You can't dead son. What that? Yo, the night is dangerous. Yo, boy, I lick my things son. Nobody move after that. Don't lick my goalie. Bomba, look at the boy. Hold on, me have to go run, go sleep. The boy, I lick my golem, bro. He might go dead. Bro, he's hitting my golem. Much iron I have. So good boy there. I just want emerald cause all this now. Let me see if you want one back alright. Sir, you need any iron? Let me see. Gain couple iron in, I want it, bro. Oh, this one. What? You... Yeah, man, I see him up. Yeah, man, fix it up, bro. You good? Yeah, man, don't ramp with you. Let them know, don't ramp with you. Don't ramp with my dog, them. Alright. Got my build. Alright, hold on. Fix that up to this one. Nice. Alright. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna test it if it'll work. It's working guys, I just obvious to video check itself. So anyway guys, you don't know so we're gonna start stream. Let's start stream some Minecraft on YouTube. Alright, Jerk, ready out.